Good. Never felt so here. Good. Good.
Doing great. Oh wow, this is happening quick. It's already got the mud flaps off.
Come on.
Well, head's got to come on first. I better go over my time. Hey, good job, bud.
Hold on.
Oh, car is jacked up. Car is jacked up. Ty, don't strip it out. That little dent's right now.
You're working with Garrett.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know what's going on right now. You got it, Ty, you got it.
I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go. Hurry up. Come on.
Let's go, guys. We got a run to make. Oh, let's go see what Jack State's doing.
Oh.
Get in there, son. Hurry up.
Get skinny, boy. Get skinny. It's going to come out of there like mock Jesus, so.
Come on.
There you go.
They're dumping oil in already. Let's go.
Put pressure on me, George.
Holy smokes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Minimal mess. Yummy.
Nice work. Nice
Wow,
work.
that smells like nitro.
Yeah. Oh. Got it, Jack Stan. Don't drop a bolt, whatever you do.
So far, I'm good. I haven't done nothing wrong.
There's a bolt on the ground. Bolt on the ground. Whoa!
Blower's ready on my side. Blower's ready on my side. Let's go. Hurry up, boy. Oil coming out. Oil coming out.
Oil coming out. Over here, Clink.
Oh.
Oh, jeez. Holy frick. You about tripped him with the oil. Oh my gosh. Look at that rig. Blowers off. Blowers off.
Rockers off.
Don't drop them.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. Looking good. Looking good.
Come on, Jack. Get that head over. Belt check.
I already checked the belt. She's good.
There is nothing cold about this. Watch the brake, bro.
Come on, Zach. Get that clutch off.
Zach, you need to get that clutch dialed in, brother. Come on, over here.
Hold on, dude. Go ahead. Oh my gosh, that thing is hot.
That baby's hot, ain't it? Hot. That's hot.
Oh my goodness.
It's not like Leroy.
That thing is putting off some serious heat right now.
Oh, there.